how to stop sharing accounts on Instagram. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily stop sharing your accounts on Instagram. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Instagram app. Then go to your profile. And then in your profile you have to tap on these three lines in the top right corner here. And then tap on settings, and here in settings scroll down and tap on account center, and then here in account center tap on accounts. Then here you will see your Facebook account that is connected to your Instagram account. Now to stop sharing Instagram posts, reels and stories, you have to remove it. So to remove your Facebook account you have to tap on remove, then tap on continue here in bottom, and then tap on remove. And wait for a few seconds and your Facebook account will be removed from Instagram. And so this is how you can stop sharing accounts on Instagram. Thanks for watching.